How to save file in Canva. This video is going to show you how to save your work project on Canva. So the first thing we're going to be speaking about is this saving the project itself. So you see all these three different items in here, like the background screenshot image, the arrow, and then the border. All of those things. So let's say you made a change there, you want to save it. You want to click the top left hand corner and click on save. The thing is though, it will automatically be saved up here. So all changes are saved, that will be automatic. So even if you don't do that, it automatically saves on Canva. Then if you go onto canva.com, you should see when you scroll down on canva.com after you refresh that the design should just be there in the most recent designs. Then you can click on it, so you can kind of edit a bit more in here, or you can go ahead and download and save the image to your computer. If you want to do that, click share at the top right hand corner, click on download, you can change the file type, then click on download, and then you will have it saved on your device. So please leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.